Areas of similar triangles. Theorem 6.6. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So for this we are given two triangles. Let the two triangles be ABC and the another triangle, let it be PQR. So as per the statement of theorem, we are given that triangle ABC and triangle PQR such that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Both the triangles similar, we are already given that. So we have to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. So the ratio of corresponding sides is AB upon PQ square is equal to BC upon QR square is equal to AC upon PR square. This we have to prove. Okay. Now for this we will use little bit some of extra hints in this. We will draw perpendicular. We will do some construction in this. So we will draw here AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. Okay. Draw AM perpendicular to BC, PN perpendicular to QR. And these perpendiculars will also help us to find the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. We can apply the formula of half into base into height. So for this also we need the perpendiculars. Now let us prove it. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, we are already given in the statement of theorem. This means that from the two similar triangles we can correct, first of all, the ratio of sides AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. First thing, as we know that if two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are proportional. And second thing, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Corresponding angles are equal. So these are the two things we can take from the two similar triangles. Now this will help us to prove this theorem. Now, area of triangle ABC is equal to, the area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height, that is half into BC into AM. And area of triangle PQR is equal to half into QR into PN. That implies the ratio of the areas, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to half into BC into AM upon half into QR into PN. Now, as you can see here, half can be cut. So we get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon PQ. I'm sorry, BC upon QR, not PQ. BC upon QR, I had written there by mistake PQ, so I have made it RQ. BC upon RQ into AM upon PN. Okay, let this be equation number 3. But since we need area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of the square of corresponding sides, so we need to make it square. For this, we will use these two triangles, ABM and triangle PQN. We can use these triangles also. I'm going to use these two triangles in triangle ABM and triangle PQN. In triangle ABM and triangle PQN, we have angle B is equal to angle Q. This we are given because triangles are similar. So angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle M is equal to angle N. (90 degree each by construction. That implies triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN by angle right area. This implies that AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PN. Corresponding parts of similar triangles. That implies we can also say that BC upon QR is equal to AM upon PN by equation number 1, in which we have said that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. So we have replaced AB upon PQ by BC upon QR. Right? Let these be equation number 4. So by equation number 3 and 4, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon PQ, BC upon RQ, I'm writing here QR, into AM upon PN. Now AM upon PN is equal to BC upon QR That implies area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into BC upon QR is equal to BC upon QR whole square, and also BC upon QR is equal to AB upon PQ also and AC upon PR also. So we can write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR square is equal to AB upon PQ square is equal to AC upon PR square. Okay, as proved.